In this video, I will give you 5 reasons why you should install LineageOS 21 in your phone right now and why I have been using this ROM as my daily driver. Now, LineageOS 21 is based on latest Android 14 and it's available for plenty of Android phones. Now, make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also show you how to install this on your phone. So, let's get started. Number 5 is very obvious. Of course, you get latest Android 14. Now you can say that you can get Android 14 from other ROMs too, but those are not as stable as LineageOS. Plus, if you install LineageOS, you get a custom kernel, which I will talk about later on. So before installing this ROM, I was in doubt that maybe I can't use this as my daily driver, and that's why I took a backup for LineageOS 20. But after using this ROM for 1 week, I can say this is my new daily driver, and you can definitely use this ROM as your first Android 14 ROM. Number 4 is privacy. If you want to keep your data safe from third-party apps like Facebook, Instagram, or your own government, install LineageOS because LineageOS was the first one to introduce Privacy Guard. Even today in LineageOS 21, you get Privacy Guard where you can control your data being sold to those companies. Also, plenty of people have doubt that if they install custom ROM, they can't use banking apps. I have been using LineageOS for almost 8 years now and I have never had any problem using any banking app in my phone. In fact, LineageOS is more safe than your stock OS like MIUI or Samsung One UI. Because LineageOS is open source, just like Android. Anybody can go to GitHub and read their open source. On the other hand, the stock OS you're using is closed source and they have converted pure Android into ad selling and profit making OS. Number 3 is Pixel experience. So if you want to have Pixel experience, normally you need to buy Pixel phones which are very expensive for normal user. And if you have cheap phone like me but still want to experience the Pixel software, you can install LineageOS 21 which basically give you same software experience that Pixel phone has. Now you can also install a ROM called Pixel Experience, but unfortunately that ROM is not yet available for Android 14. Meanwhile, you can always install LineageOS with Android 14 and get the same Pixel software experience that you always wanted. And because there is no bloatware or junk apps in this ROM, you get some extra RAM and battery life which you can use for your gaming experience. But before that, it's time to thank our sponsor Anker. So this is new Anker's 13-in-1 dock with 85 watt charging. You can connect it to anything like PC, laptop, iPad or iPhone. And it can also handle 4K resolution on multiple screens. The build quality is premium and it looks great. If you want to buy this right now, go to description and click the first link below. And if you use this coupon code, you get special 20% discount on Anker 13-in-1 dock. Number 2, a ROM for gamers. If you are into gaming, then this ROM is perfect for you. Not only it gives you refresh rate option, which is you can switch between 120Hz and 60Hz. With the custom kernel it provides, you get some amazing gaming performance and extra battery life while gaming. Your phone doesn't overheat or your phone doesn't randomly reboot, which normally happens if you install a custom ROM. With LineageOS, stability and performance comes together. Even apart from gaming, normal day-to-day use like app opening or phone boot time is slightly faster than normal stock OS or stock Android. Now before we go to number 1, I'll give you some extra reason to install LineageOS, and the reason is community. Because this is one of the most popular Android ROM, LineageOS community is huge. Just search a problem and you will definitely find a result on that on XDA. Plenty of people will come to help you if you ask for it. Or you can add some extra features using Magisk Manager or kernel SU. And now the number 1 reason. This is the only Android 14 ROM which comes with a custom kernel pre-install, and the custom kernel is perf kernel. Not only this kernel is based for battery life and gaming performance, But this kernel is also known for its RAM management. Even if you have multiple apps open, your phone will never randomly reboot or you will never face screen glitches, which normally happens if you install a new custom ROM, especially when Android 14 is not yet released for all the phones and still you get this early build which is so stable, and I have been personally using this ROM as my daily driver. After LineageOS, I have personally installed 2 more Android ROMs and I again switched back to LineageOS. That's how good it is. That's how stable it is. And now I'm using this as my daily driver until I find something better.